At the bottom right corner, go to Grid View, select the pages that you want to copy. So on your keyboard, you can either hit Shift and it will select consecutive pages, or if you want to skip pages and copy a select view, you can hit Control on your keyboard and you can select whichever pages you want to copy. Once you've done copy all your pages, hit Ctrl C to copy. Go to your next design, go to Grid View at the bottom right corner, and simply paste the pages by hitting Ctrl V. And you can drag these pages and move them around into the order that you choose. So that's how you copy pages from one design and put them into another design. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.